One UI 8 just got way smoother. You've got to see this. Samsung's cooking up something exciting with One UI 8, and it's looking cleaner, faster, and way more polished than before. A fresh beta build, version ZYEF, just dropped for internal testing on the Galaxy S25 series, and it reveals some slick new animation upgrades that make a big difference in daily use. Thanks to reliable leaker at Dev of IPOS, we now know that Samsung has revamped the quick settings and notification panel animations. And they're looking buttery smooth. Quick panel gets a glow up when you swipe down to access the quick panel, the part where you toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. There's now a fresh new animation. It feels smoother and gives the whole UI a more refined, premium vibe. Notification opening is now ultra fluid. Tapping on a notification doesn't just pop open like before, it glides open with a clean new animation. It's a small tweak, but it makes the whole experience feel snappier and more modern. Even though these changes seem subtle, they seriously boost the overall feel and speed of the phone. Everything just flows better. Right now, this is still an early beta, but it's a strong sign that Samsung's working hard to refine the One UI experience even further. Beta launch incoming? Rumor has it that Samsung will kick off the One UI 8 beta program around the third week of May 2025. So, if you're a beta tester, you might be trying these new features out very soon.